Hey guys, this is Gwendolyn, and for today's video it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to talk about a handbag today. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am concerned about what's going on in the world, especially with the Black Lives Matter and all of these different things. I just didn't want to say nothing because I am thinking about it every day, and I just wanted to come on here today and let you know that it is something I'm thinking about while I'm sitting here enjoying my cappuccino. Yeah, it's like, it makes me kind of sad, you know, to think about the things that's going on, but I didn't want to just say nothing because I am concerned when I see the news and things like that. You know, I see the people that are really trying to do something positive, and then I also can't help but to notice the distractions of what's going on. You understand? So I wanted to let you guys know that for everyone that's doing these great things, everyone, I appreciate that, and I'm sure everyone else does as well. So it's really funny that, you know, I've been in this world over 50 years and have never directly experienced racism, nor have I directly ever felt, how do I say this, like a Black woman per se. You know, I know that's like, what in the world is she talking about? So she lost her mind. That cappuccino got the girl crazy. No, I have never really thought that much about my race. You understand? And I grew up in Memphis, Tennessee, where Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated. And when things were going crazy, I was like 3 years old or so. And I don't, of course, I don't remember a lot. I remember hearing my parents talk about things later and things like that. Talk about what was going on and things like that. And it was really sad. And then I grew up learning about what's happened and the way, and the only reason I brought that up is because of the situation, the way some people are reacting. You understand? It's like people are really touched, you know, they're really, people are just tired. You understand? People are just tired. But I also have to address the fact that I want everyone to be safe. I want for the people that are leaving their homes, going out there with a different mindset than just to stay focused, for all the distractions. I would like for those people to just think about, you want to make it back home to your families. Don't get in the same system that you believe to be unfair. So don't do things that can get you caught up in the system. And I know you know what I'm talking about. For everyone out there that knows what I'm talking about, it's like one of those situations where to live or whatever, to fight another day. If you want to make a real difference, stick with the people that are doing it the right way, because we can't fight from the grave, and we cannot fight from the prison cells. We can't fight that way. We have to rely on someone else if we're in those two unfortunate situations. And I just wanted to let you guys know I care a lot, despite the fact that I haven't directly experienced a lot of negativity to come on here and talk about. I haven't. And some of the unfortunate negative issues or things that I've experienced in my years, mostly unfortunately, has been from my own culture. And nothing terrible. I don't have a platform I grew up in a very well-balanced, very financially successful home. Mom and daddy were there, you know, my siblings and everything. My father's deceased now. But because I did, it doesn't mean I didn't recognize things going on around in my world. It doesn't mean that I'm not aware of racism and prejudice of all different types. I've seen it, and things like that. But I'm one of these people that when someone seems to treat me some odd way or something, if that's the best way I can describe it, I naively think, man, I shouldn't have worn that dress. Or is my hair out of line? I just start thinking of all these, checking these other things off. It's just natural because my mom and dad never ever taught me or showed me that my color of my skin was going to be an excuse, or it was going to be a platform to use. It was going to be a hindrance. Nothing. They didn't put a lot of emphasis on who I am, because I'm a combination of so much. You understand? My father, Native American and Black and African and whatever else, and my mom, African, I guess, American. She's Black lady. She's European. She's all of that. I have a lot. And all of us do. We have a lot of combinations of things typically, not all, a lot of us do. That doesn't mean anything. I understand in America, you're classified as a group. I get it. I understand it. And do I think America per se has been fair? No, I definitely don't. But has it been fair in some cases? Yes. And it's just been, most of my things I deal with and get through in life has been about my mindset. It's helped. I'm not saying that everyone else, weren't thinking something positive and God forbid something terrible happened. I can't say that. But the best thing I can do, and for the ones out of you that's doing the same thing, is stay positive, stay strong, stay positive. We can't fold up under what's going on. We cannot fold. We cannot let the system, them, they, whoever we believe it to be, we can't let that win. We can't. We have to stay strong. We have to stay smart. We have to fight with our intellect, our intelligence, and our physical to be able to show up. That's what's going to make the difference. And that is making a difference for all the people that's out there doing what they're doing, all the different races that are standing up. Thank you so much. It is the most moving thing I've seen. I'm almost bringing me to tears again. It's so beautiful watching the people doing things and standing by one another. It's beautiful. And oh gosh, I gotta get ready to go because I'm not one of those cute criers. I can't be out here crying. Oh no. I'm not that person. I don't look cute when I cry. But I'm just trying to make light of it because I'm concerned for some people, happy for some others, saddened by some things and some people. But for for George, for the Martin Luthers, for all the other people in the world, the Rodney Kings and all of these people, and a slew of many more that have gone through something, suffered through something for something they just really genuinely did not deserve. Let's just keep doing the positive that we're doing. And let's make this move. Let's make this thing happen the way we're doing. I'm so proud of you guys. I am so touched. I am so touched when I watch the ones standing by one another. It is the most beautiful thing I've seen. It is beautiful, and thank you so much for it. I love you all. Hope to God that, this means something positive to you guys. I don't want it to come on here and sound like a woe me or she doesn't know. I trust me. Oh, I know what it feels like to be hurt and feel broken and to want to go out there and what I call popping off. I know what it feels like. That's my personality. So I know I have to keep me in check. I have to, because I am not that one. I don't like to see injustice. I don't like to see the people being treated unfairly. I can't stand it. But I know I can't let my anger get the best of me either, because I'm not gonna fight the right cause. I'm gonna be fighting for something else. So, and that would be more about me. That would become about me. That would not be about the cause anymore, because I'm going to be trying to defend me. And so anyway, I get it. I get the anger and all of that. Let's just keep doing what you guys are doing. The ones that are doing it positively, just keep relaxed and keep making a move, because it's definitely matter. It matters. It matters. Everyone is paying attention to what you guys are doing. I'm so proud. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being here. Thank you for coming in, watching my channel. Thanks for all of that. I hope to God it makes a difference for someone that decides, you know, before they leave the house, if they're going to leave the house with the, you know, chip on their shoulder, trying to go out with that cause, just don't. It's just not going to be about the cause anymore. That's gonna be directly about you. And anyway, so let's just stay strong, and thank you so much for making a difference. You guys are beautiful. Love you. Take care of yourselves. Hope to see you soon, because I got some things I want to show you later. And anyway, take care of yourself. Yeah, I'm sitting here like I'm going to go work out. I'm going to do a tiny bit, but no. Anyway, I'm going to do a little bit. But you guys take care of yourselves. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, do that thingy. Still subscribe and all of that. I may as well go ahead and throw that in. Hope to see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Deuces. Bye.